Alright, you can see a nice canvas here. So this is a solid wood block, and you can see the rectangular shape. We're going to paint a beautiful picture here. Let's take the green color and putting some lines like this, which is going to show the field in the landscapes. And this is going to be a very simple and easy scenery, so that everybody can do it. So main aim is to show and make people think the painting. If you want to draw anything natural, it's very easy, and it's not that kind of rocket science. So that depends on the imaginations. Okay, you can use a little bit water and blend it with the whole canvas to make the variations. So there's going to be a nice variations here. Okay, adding the water. All right, colors getting nice. So that's a, you can see the simple change in the depth and the thickness of the landscapes here. Okay, later we're going to put something here, but before that one, let's draw the house. So primary objective is to draw the house. So for drawing one side, let's draw the pitch roof with the white color. Okay, awesome. So lots of white colors we're going to put here, pure white color. And this is on the side. Awesome. Putting lots of colors here. Okay, now we're going to define the edges of the roofs like this. From the top to the pitched roof, you can see the shape of the pitched roof looks nice. Awesome. So from the bottom, if you move to the top, you can see the variations. Okay, awesome. Just mixing the previous color within the canvas. Okay, so another line we're just going to draw on the other side. You can see it's just going on that way. Okay, and the vertical lines here for the house, another vertical lines you can see. This defines the edges of the house, and another line is in the end. Okay, awesome. So it's the basic house. Okay, putting the deep dark color here. Awesome. Now we are going to put the doors and the windows. So doors is going to be here. You can see door is done, and the window. Here's another window. Okay, All right, so the house is almost complete. Now we're going to draw the trees. So for drawing the trees, let's put the branches. Like the bigger trees has a very big branch, and you can see in the bottom the colors is a variable colors, and few drops you can see the same color. Okay, and for the branches, let's put some really dark colors. Okay, so that defines the branches. Very nice. Awesome. Just the ends of the trees are going to be, just diminishing. Okay, and you can see that few drops of the plants which is around the house. Okay, now you can put the details like this one. Put some strokes to the upwards directions. Okay, we can also take the the green colors to make the bigger strokes upwards for the lots of plants. Okay, take the colors from here. All right, and a few colors we're going to put around this corner too. Awesome. For the leaves of the tree on the top, we're going to put a combinations of the yellow and the orange color. This is how we're going to define the spring moments. Okay, so you can see the color variations looks very nice. So it's the combinations of the blue. Actually, it's the combination of yellow and the green. Okay, looks nice for the tree. And now I'm going to put some orange color. Okay, just few dots. The very colorful tree of the spring times. Okay, in the base of the houses, we're just going to put few drops of that brush strokes. And let's add some more water and putting the color combinations to a next level. Okay, awesome. So that's the drawing. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.